This segment is brought to you by Debt Aid Consulting. Itama po natin.
I have accumulated 40,000 in credit card debts because of gambling. Every time I get my salary, I just put away money for bills and give it to my wife so she won't know about my gambling debts. I would like to ask for your help, and is it possible to do this without my wife finding out?
Nais ko talagang makatulong sa inyo, ngunit sa katunayan po, sa karamihan ng mga clients na may gambling problems, ay hindi nakukumpleto ang program at minsan hindi sila nakakapagsimula matapos mag-enroll. The first step that I recommend even before starting the program with me is for a client with a gambling problem to seek professional help for gambling addiction. Once that is done, we can begin to also rehabilitate you financially. Gambling addiction is not easy and it requires support from the family, like your wife. The help of a loved one can make your path to recovery a better one versus doing it alone. May mga epekto ang addiction sa pagsusugal o ang gambling sa ating mga finances katulad ng number 1, taking out a second loan on properties. Umuutang po tayo na ang ginagamit nating collateral ay ang ating mga ari-arian katulad ng bahay o lupa. Number 2, taking money out from their credit cards. Nagka-cash advance po tayo at umuutang po tayo sa mga credit cards sa pamamagitan ng cash advance. Okay, number 3, borrowing money from relatives or friends and lying and saying it's for emergency. Umuutang po tayo sa mga kamag-anak. Ang excuse natin, emergency money ito. Number 4, pawning jewelries or valuable items. Pagsanla ng mga alahas o ng mga bagay na mahahalaga, katulad ng mga relo, mga singsing. Number 5, borrowing from payday loans. Umuutang rin tayo sa mga payday loan centers kahit na hindi ito para sa ating day-to-day expenses, kung hindi po para maipondo sa pagpatuloy ng ating pagsusugal. At the end of the day, marami po sa may bisyong sugal are not able to pay their debts because it creates a web of problems financially that they cannot solve or undo dahil wala na yung pera. And worse is we did not gain anything from the money we gambled away. Others get sued and their paychecks are garnished or their bank account is levied. So, to the person asking me for my help, once you thought it through and have sought professional help regarding your gambling habits, I have programs that can make your monthly payments lower and put you on a shorter payment term. Ben Lu at your service, na walang kaparis. I have 29 years of real financial experience. If you would like sound financial advice, call me at Debt Aid Consulting. We are incorporated in the US and Canada. Tawag na po 1-888-341-5234 at tutulungan po namin kayo. Itama po natin ang mali.
This segment was brought to you by Debt Aid Consulting. Itama po natin.